Good morning, fifth graders. Hope you are well. Today we will continue solving exercises page 21 in photosynthesis in green plants. We have said in the previous sessions that green plants need water, carbon dioxide, mineral salts, and sunlight to produce their own food and release oxygen gas by a process called photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants produce their own food in form of starch and uh, release oxygen. Let's start with exercises, page 21. The first experiment, importance of light in photosynthesis. In this experiment, we will study the importance of sunlight. So we take up an experiment. First of all, we took a pelargonium plant and we cover one leaf of this plant completely with a black cover. So leaf A is completely covered with a black cover, while leaf B is exposed to sunlight. So we expose the plant to light for 24 hours. And here, don't forget that leaf A is covered with a black cover, while leaf B it is freely exposed to sunlight. Then later on, we apply the experimental protocol to detect the presence of starch in these leaves. And this protocol is putting these two leaves in a hot alcohol to remove chlorophyll from these leaves. Then, using iodized solution, we immerse leaf A in iodine solution. Then we immerse leaf B in iodine solution. So the result obtained is shown in this document. Leaf A remains yellow. It takes the yellow of the yellow color of the iodine solution, while leaf B turns dark blue. Number one, in which leaf does the iodized water test indicate the presence of starch? Justify your answer. So you should indicate in which leaf, and you should justify your answer by saying why. First of all, if you observe well the two leaves, you will see that leaf A takes the color of the iodine solution, which is yellow, while leaf B, the color turns dark blue. And also in the previous sessions, we have learned that in order to test the presence of starch, we put iodine solution. When it turns dark blue, then starch is present. So here, where does the starch present? So of course it is present in leaf B. So the answer will be in leaf B, which is freely exposed to light, because when iodized water test is carried out, it is only positive with leaf B where dark blue color appears. So just here to remember that leaf A is covered by a black cover. So that's why it remains, it takes the color of iodine solution, which is yellow. It doesn't, so it doesn't produce starch. That's why the color remains yellow. While leaf B, since it's freely exposed to light, the color turns into dark blue. So the starch reacts with iodine solution to give dark blue color. Number two, what do you conclude? So from this experiment, what do you conclude? So the synthesis of starch is required. The synthesis of starch is required by the presence of light, or we can say photosynthesis requires the presence of light. So here, in order to produce starch, this means that the leaf obtained photosynthesis. So when photosynthesis is required, this means that the light should be present. So the photosynthesis requires the presence of light. In the second experiment, importance of importance of chlorophyll in photosynthesis. The same experiment as in number two, but here we take a variegated leaf. Variegated leaf means that it is green in the middle, while on the edge it is white color. So it's not totally green. So here we expose a variegated leaf of pelargonium plant to light for a few hours. We apply the experimental protocol, which I said we put this leaf in a hot alcohol to remain chlorophyll. Then we detect the presence of starch by immersing this leaf in iodine solution. So the result is shown in the document. This is the variegated pelargonium leaf. And here, after immersing this leaf in iodine solution. So first of all, in the middle, it is dark blue, while at the edge where the white color, it remains yellow, or it takes the color of the iodine solution. So here we have two colors after immersing this leaf in iodine solution. Number one, indicate in this variegated leaf the place of chlorophyll. So where chlorophyll is present in this leaf. Of course, we know that chlorophyll are green pigments found in the leaf, and they will give the leaf its green color. So this means that in this pelargonium, or this variegated pelargonium leaf, where chlorophyll is located. Of course, it is located in the middle or in the center of the variegated leaf. So it is located in the center, the green part of the variegated leaf. So here is the location of chlorophyll, where the green part is present. The blue colors after the addition of iodized water. We said that the blue color is a result from reaction between starch and iodine solution. So where is here the dark blue color? It is also in the middle. So this means that in the center, in the green part of the leaf. So what can you conclude? Question 2, what can you conclude? So here we can conclude that the presence of starch or the synthesis of starch take place in the presence of chlorophyll or in the green part of the plant. So the synthesis of starch takes place in the presence of chlorophyll. Till here, we will finish our session. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.